Welcome. If you want to save time and write emails faster, turning on Smart Compose in the Gmail app is a great way to start. Smart Compose uses artificial intelligence to suggest words and phrases as you type, making your email writing smoother and more efficient. Let's walk through the quick steps to enable this helpful feature on your device. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to use Smart Compose. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tapping this will open a side menu with several options. Now, scroll down through the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open a list of all the email accounts you have added to your Gmail app. From here, select the email account where you want to enable Smart Compose. Just tap on your email address to open the account-specific settings. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the Smart Compose option. It might be under a section called General or Writing Suggestions, depending on your device. To turn on Smart Compose, simply check the box next to Smart Compose. If the box is already checked, that means the feature is already enabled and ready to use. That's it. Now, when you start composing a new email, you'll notice suggestions appearing as you type. You can swipe right on the suggested text to accept it, or just keep typing if you want to ignore it. This feature learns from your writing style over time, so your suggestions will get even more helpful the more you use Gmail. With Smart Compose turned on, writing emails becomes faster, easier, and a lot less repetitive. Give it a try and see how much time you can save on your next email.